Hello friends, how are you? Good? Super good. I am wonderful. Friends, today we are going to talk about sizes, measurement, okay? It is a little bit tricky, but it's very nice. You saw the video before? We are going to talk about short, medium, and large, okay? You're going to pick up on your book the page in the end of your book, page 49, and you will find some objects. We have here pencil, ropes, and a caterpillar, okay? You're going to pick up them and you are going to glue on your paper on page 8, following the order, okay? So you're going to detach the pencil, then you are going to glue the short first, then you are going to glue the medium, and the last one you are going to glue the long pencil, okay? All three sizes. You are going to do this with the pencil, the ropes, and the caterpillar, okay? Dad or mommy can help you, and I am sure you can do it because it's very easy, okay? I want you to see it later. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow.